Again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the interest of all our patrons, and also in any shape or form, is strictly prohibited. Your cooperation is...
Alright, so we just don't watch.
What is it? What's wrong with you?
Yo, we just don't watch.
I think your phone is cool.
Somebody running, somebody running. So we just don't watch Black Panther and yeah. Anyways, this is just the start of the video. More to come. Yeah.
Catch you wanna lie? Break like them. Catch you wanna lie? Gotcha. No, sir.
Run.
Got the dog Sunday. We well beat him up, and then he was so small. Mr. Man, drop him off at my sister Sunday self because we were traveling the Monday. Went away for 2.
The next day.
Sitting in the car, not really looking pretty, but looking pretty. Waiting on those guys. So we're doing road today. We will be going to Green Island and Negril. So we're going west side today. We have something very exciting. It will be the first time for me. I think Ren has been to somewhere that does this before, but I'm not sure if he actually got the chance to do it because of some issues that they're experiencing on today. But we're doing it today. After a late start, but I just believe that everything happens for a reason. So we're going to take you guys on a trip. Some drone footage. So we'll see you guys in the video.
Already.
Big thing.
Yes, sir. Respect.
You like it big? You like it small? Yeah, big one.
I like a pitney.
You ever drink lime juice in your cup?
We never get enough flow. Suck it from the straw.
Can I taste yours?
don't know why I say that.
I think this is.
I think it's fine.
So the same. Yeah.
This can stay up?
Some of them.
You see, I saw some of them stay.
Oh,
Gas brake on steer. Gas?
I never see it. So where you go? Down?
Yeah, step on it.
Okay.
We only use it to change gear. Automatic, so once in a gear, now we need it.
Cool. So
This is
this is the gear right now. Or neutral then?
This is not reverse, right?
So wait, what gear? What one gear then?
No one gear, that's high and low.
Sorry. So where's it? High and low?
This is a park, this is a reverse, this is a neutral, this is a high, this is a low. Always in a high, right in a high. Practically, I probably reverse and this and whatever one. I'm probably park. But yeah, step on it.
Step on it.
Step on it.
Oh, but you say a high ride now. A high that? Oh, alright. They get you right backward. Oh, step on it.
Look off the foot. Look off the foot.
Yeah.
You don't want the again, you don't want.
Alright. Go on. Go, just go. Big driver. Go there, big driver. May I say speed up? Yeah. But you good now? You good? Eh? Yeah, you're fine. You just need to, don't be afraid of a little bit more speed. Go, Yanique, go! Go! You're fine. Go on. Once you're in the lane, it go hard to come out. You realize that, once the wheel you're not gonna really move out. Go on, in a groove. Yanique. You have to try go. Keep turning and go on. Keep turning and just go on, Yanique. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you got it.
it is raining. time to go. We did a 5-minute break and time to go now. Time to go. Yeah, I like it. I like it. See, we're in the jungle, as folks call it. But we the bush. Yeah, Jamaican, we call this bush. So we're in the bush. We ATV. Yo. Hi, Ren. Hi.
So, as you guys would have just seen,
We did a thing.
Ewa and our fam, late. But anyways,
We did
yeah,
thing.
that was fun. That was fun. And that beat
Ecstatic.
the experience I had at Dirt. The dance, yeah, the dance.
Do the maps.
Yeah, that beats
ATV. No
that
ATV.
beats the experience I didn't even have there. Yeah, that was good. So it's Missile Adventure Park. We said it before. It's a good vibe. Just know say, I tell us if you come, and just know say when you come, not gonna get mud up. So
Just
bring the shirt there, and the shorts there, and the tights there, or the tights there rather, what you never really want, but you know dash away yet. I want all shoes or water shoes.
Or water shoes.
Yeah, man. I know clothes can wash still, but you know I'm gonna feel no way if certain clothes get mud up and dirty. But it was fun. It was fun, and
It's
see
really,
Yanique do her thing. Big driver. That do her thing. So yeah, it was pretty good. We're heading to Negril now. We're gonna get some food to eat. Link up with the old schoolmate and then head back up. Night I go all the way, but I just saw it go.
That's just how it is.
So anyway, birthday trip. We'll be right back. That them say.
What that mean? When I don't hear it, it's just because it's
So as you can see, we're there at the very famous Negril sign because why not? To come a Negril? Well, we did come the other day and we never come here, so we never stop because of the time. But you know, yeah, this is the Negril sign. I mean, it looks alright.
We're not gonna have that conversation.
It looks alright.
We're not gonna have that conversation.
Anyways, we did say food, so
A food we are different right now.
yeah, food.
Yeah, food. So we just hurry up. Snap 2 picture phone now. God have mercy. I'm being bitten. I'm being eaten alive. That's no fun. So just I get the footage, I go picture. See you folks later.
I don't know if you guys can see, but there is rains coming. Rains are coming.
Sorry, I know you lost it.
Chilling up the house. Just make sure that we're there. Yeah.
Quite the opposite.
We're there.
I see lobster, I see chicken, I see curry goat, I see shrimp kebab. Is it shrimp? Mm-hmm. Shrimp kebab in the bun. It's a steam there.
Where is that going? Where is that going?
In all this thick thing.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Show your face.
Alright.
Yeah, but I have to wait to tell me that I'm hung up.
Good. Alright, so we're dropping off Santana. So yeah, we have to give thanks. Had a safe journey down, safe journey up. Didn't encounter any crazy person on the road, and that's good. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. We've been out for a minute, but it was worth it. The food at Mathew's. Good in spades. I'm not trying to sound bad or anything. It was good in spades. What was good was very, very good. What wasn't good was just okay.
It never.
Yeah,
we
it
never
never
get
bad.
no. We didn't have a bad
Yeah, it
experience.
never bad.
The food never tastes horrible.
And Giovanni, I think, was the waiter. Yeah, he checked in on us at
regularly.
Yeah. So yeah, we're grateful for that. Santana, how was the day? They can't see you. They can't see you. But yeah, it was good. It was a very good day. We're very happy for that. Now we're heading home.
She had a very good day on her before.
Yeah, that too. My order my stuff and I look on it and I like them kebab thingy here look very, very little bit. But at the end of the day, yeah, the belly full. And the coconut. Bye. And the coconut and everything. Yeah, she did.
She did like a platter thing. So what she got
was pretty good. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, good. What she got was like curried mutton, curried shrimp and chicken kebabs, barbie fried chicken, potato wedges, some steamed veg. And that was, I think, I don't remember the name of the plate, but for all the things that she got in it, I think it was worth it. I wouldn't say everything on the plate tasted really, really good.
Again, what was good was very, very good. What wasn't was just
like
average.
kebab something there.
Yeah.
So if you guys ever go to Negril and if you know where Chill Pops is,
Mm-hmm.
you will be able to find it, because as you drive in, they're the first restaurant that's at the front there. Chill Pops is just adjacent to it.
Yeah, pretty
It's
much.
like literally right there. If you're at Chill Pops, it would be to your right or straight in front of you. Like they're literally right there. So yeah, man, definitely check out Mathew's.
Chill Pops as well.
And
Check
Chill
out Chill
Pops.
Pops.
The customer service was on point, as Ren said. He
Ambience
kept
is
checking
pretty
on us.
good.
The ambience is awesome. I like the fact that they asked if we want to sit on the inside, which
Or
is
on the
air conditioned, or on the balcony, which have some pepper light kind of thing going right around the balcony. It was pretty cool.
It
The
was
evening
very
was
nice.
cool. Rainfall today and something. So
It was a good day.
it was a good day. And then of course you guys would have seen that we did the ATV. driving. Listen, me is a big driver. Me is a big driver. You can't talk to me. You guys have never seen me around the steering before.
They have.
But
they're like a short there. And probably drop in here, so.
Listen to me. Listen. Me is a driver. For those of you who don't know. Now we know. Okay.
Yeah, but like we said though, overall it was a very good day. We want to thank Missile Adventure Park for accommodating us. Mathew's Chill Pops, Negril, Jamaica, everywhere we went. We're grateful.
Yeah.
We made it home, well, almost home, but we're safe. And we just want to thank everybody for who's watching. Thank you so much. Remember, we always say, like, share, and subscribe.
And
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember, run over IG. Look for Treats JA. Follow Treats. Follow Fun with Yan and Ren. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. We want you guys to be engaging with the videos because we're going to be doing what's that spinning thingy called, where we draw the raffle thingy, where we do the grand prize and the second prize, and we have a little treat literally coming up. You understand? We have some treats, so beer fun, beer vibes, interact on the videos. Tell us what you guys think, give us your feedback. Once again, we appreciate all the support we are receiving, and if your subscribe button is red, it means you have not subscribed.
Click it.
Press it.
Click it. Also follow or go search for Missile Adventure Park on Instagram. There's a big event coming up on the 1st. I'll give you guys more information as time goes by.
Most definitely.
So, once again, I am Renouy.
And I'm Yanique.
Full name this time. Goodbye.
Bye.